This has now got a little aluminium seal on top, and there's no way in the world that I could undo that. No way. This one again, it's similar to that other tomato sauce, but again it has the aluminium or whatever it is seal on the top, and it has 3 tabs. At least it's got 3 tabs, very small, which I doubt anyone could get their fingers around, let alone me. And that would be a tooth job as well.
So that I already know. These ones I stab with a knife, and these ones I pull with my teeth. Like, yeah, because you can at least hold that in your teeth and fling it open. Where that one, I just put a knife through it. I don't even bother trying to open it because it's too hard, and I also don't like the flavour of tomato paste. So like if it's getting in my mouth, it's a bit gross, you know? Where like when it's a toothpaste or something, you're like, super glue, not so much. But yeah, these ones, that's a knife stab for me.
Yes. This is what really frustrates me. I just don't know why we need all these secondary seals everywhere. And this is annoying. I would be getting my scissors or knife to open this, so that's really frustrating. So I'd have to pierce that with a knife.